Guys, this is a video. You guys requested it because you guys requested it. That's why we're doing it. This is the Milwaukee Gen 3. This is the 2853-20. 6 amp hour battery. High output battery. Full blast. Guys, brand new tool. Brand spanking new. And it's already hitting higher records here. It's already... We got the DCF840. That's what everybody wants to see against this one. We got a 6 amp hour, 21700 cells, same as this. It's a 6 amp hour, 21700 cells. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. This is a 3-speed impact driver. This impact driver has been 3rd speed. Full battery. This impact driver has been for a few years. It's been the king. It's still the king as of now. This is brand new impact driver. This is a single speed, just a variable speed on the trigger. Compared to this one's a top of the line 3-speed. It's just weird. It's just weird how they released this tool, and it's one of the better tools out there with the better stats. And it was released just the same as the 850 DCF840, the shorter one. It's just brushless on the back. We got tri-LED. We got a quick insert, quick collet insert. The specs on this: 0 to 4,200 IPM. The specs on this: 0 to 4,300 IPM. 100 IPM difference on these. This is 4,200. This is 4,300. Let's start with some simple drilling, and then we'll move on to the harder stuff. All right, guys, we're gonna start with the yellow. This is the newest tool. This is a 1/2 inch drill bit. Quick insert collet. All right, we got the Milwaukee fuel, 3-speed, 3rd speed. One, two, three, go. Alright, we got the 1-inch spade bit. This is almost brand new. I only used it once in the last video. Gonna do a hole right here. Alright, we got the Milwaukee. Right here. One, two, three, go. Yeah, I think the wood started to split. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the test. Alright, repeat. Alright, we got the Milwaukee. On this side, 1, 2, 3, go. Just to let you know, guys, this is the upgraded version. I did take this to warranty, so just keep that in mind. It is leaking a little bit of grease. This impact driver is basically brand new, so I don't know why it's leaking a little bit. We have a 4.5 by 1/2 inch lag. We're gonna start with the DeWalt 840. This is a 3/4 inch impact socket. We got the Milwaukee fuel, Gen 3. We're gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do one more with the 5 amp hour battery, see if that makes a difference. 1, 2, 3, go. let me know what you guys think about these two tools. I personally think that this one was actually a little bit faster than this one. This is very close to this one. Stepping on their toes there. I really like the compact to power. Really like the way it's thin. Very narrow. I really like the handles. Pretty nice. With the smaller battery, will be a perfect tool. It does not get that warm. It's warm, but not that warm. So that's something that the DeWalt already fixed. With this tool, you got a lot of air movement there. One thing I don't like about this is doesn't have a variable speed here down here. Speed selector just has a variable speed here. So you do have to be good at the trigger. But other than that, it's very comparable to this one. It is very compact. Obviously, this one's been the king. This one's really powerful. We already know this one's reliable and powerful. So anyways, let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this test? Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.